Okay, a beautiful morning to you, my young learners of mathematics. I earlier promised that I'm going to record a video on substitution method in simultaneous equation in which none of the variables has the coefficient to be equals to 1. So how do we go about that when we are confronted with that? The previous one that we did, it was very easy for us to make one of the variable subject of the formula for the fact that the coefficient was 1. So what if you have a question in which none of them has the coefficient to be equals to 1? Like the example that I have on my screen here, we have 4x plus 3y equals 9, 2x plus 5y equals 15, and we are asked to use substitution method. How do we go about this? Ideally, if you are not restricted, if you are not asked to use any method, if the question just says solve, you can use any method of your choice. And in this case, the best method to use here is elimination method. However, never say never. You can be questioned, you can be given this kind of question and they still expect you to use substitution method. What do you do in that case? Okay, we already know that this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So in one of the equations, try to make any variable subject of the formula. Let's say we want to make x subject of the formula from equation 1 now. We want to make x subjects of the formula. You want to make x subject of the formula in equation 1. So what happens? Our equation 1 says 4x plus 3y equals 9. So in making anything subject of the formula, let's collect this to the side first. So we have 4x equals 9 minus 3y. Now, we need a step further. We are going to x. We have 4x. So what do? We divide both sides by 4. We divide both sides by 4 so that we have 4 times x over 4 equals 9 minus 3y over 4. Okay, so we are able to cut that. 4 cancels 4